Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to view your YouTube comment history on a mobile device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android or mobile device. Look at the bottom right corner of the main interface layout and tap directly on your Profile tab, which is labeled as You. Look at the top right corner of your Profile dashboard screen and tap on the Settings gear icon. Scroll down through the Settings menu list and tap explicitly on the option labeled Manage All History. Choose your target Google account if prompted to load your centralized Google My Activity dashboard. Once the history layout page loads, look at the top navigation tabs right below the main header and tap on Interactions. Under the Video Interactions section, locate the option labeled Comments and Replies and tap directly on it. The browser system framework will instantly load a chronological timeline showing every single comment and reply you have ever posted on the platform. From this interface layout, you can tap on the link to jump directly back to the video page, or tap the small X icon right next to any specific entry to instantly delete that comment permanently. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.